Hey folks, in this video I will guide you through how to create Minecraft installation on different folder locations so that you can manage your shader packs or mods separately without using the default Minecraft installation folder. So if you go to your Minecraft installation folder, so let me go to that folder. So if you don't know how to go to that Minecraft installation folder, first open your Minecraft launcher and go to installation and click on this open installations folder icon and it will bring you there. And in here, if you have installed any mods or shader packs, you will see all the things here. So I have installed these shader packs, but let's say if I want to install new shader pack, but I don't want to use this Minecraft installation for that. So in that case, you need to create new Minecraft installation. So I will show you how to create it and set up it for install new mods other than using the same Minecraft installation folder we see here. So to do that, go to this Minecraft launcher and installation tab and click on new installation. So here you have to add your Minecraft installation name. So I use this folder name as my installation name, and here you can select what version you want to create the Minecraft installation. So if you want to create the default installation version, you can select this latest release 1.21.4, but if you want to use any modded pack, you can go ahead and select that. So I select this fabric loader, and here you have to select the installation location where you want to install the new game. So I select this folder I created previously, and here you have to select the resolution for your Minecraft installation. So I select this resolution, and in more options tab you can select advanced options like Java scriptable runtime and Java virtual machine argument. So in here I add 4 GB RAM allocated for this Java virtual machine, but you can set it default if you want. These are optional, and after that click on install, and now click on play. So it will install, and now click on play. So now if you go to the game, you see the UI is a bit broken, so let's fix that. So first of all, to fix that, open your default Minecraft installation location and copy and paste all these files here. Don't copy the folders, just copy these files and open your new Minecraft installation folder and paste those files. And if there is a message, click on this replace the files in the destination. And now files are copied. So let's open the game again and see if the UI issue fixed. I select the newly installed Minecraft version and click on play. So now you can see UI issue is fixed. So now if I go to options and video settings, it looks like the normal Minecraft installation because I didn't install any mods. So let's install mods and see if it works. So to install the mods, copy and paste the mods you want to install to this newer file location. You install the Minecraft. I copied these previous mods to this mods folder, and if you want to install the shaders, create new folder and name it as shader packs, and add your shader packs to that folder. I just copy BSL shader to this shader packs folder, so let's see if it's installed or not by launching the Minecraft again. Okay, if I go to options, video settings and shader packs, you can see the shader I installed is here, BSL shader. So let's apply this and play to see if it is work fine. So as you can see, BSL shader is successfully loaded. I can play the game. So that's it. If you have any question, feel free to comment. I will get back to you. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.